Riverlands, Nausori, Rewa pride. Nausori lights keep Riverlands bright. Our Rewa rivers flow on and strong. Tempered are fertile and flat plains, past Tonga, Vutia to Nausori shore. Tatalabe calling evermore. Luvu Luvu where plains roar by. Nabuilavu holy prayers to send the sky. Wesleyan hymns, lily memorial stands. Wisdom, spiritual understanding always. Students holding hands in navy blue. Riverlands, Nausori, Rewa pride. River waters and currents flow. Hills to river, past mangrove to sea. My heart, my riverland eternally. Different people, different colors, island hearts and Indian style. Rewa tigers in red so proud, Delta soccer cheering loud. Mono and Nadalit pride. Nausori sands the first Gurmit stood. Tidally cathedral memories of time past. Utia breeze when the Wakasi song. Nakela landings water taxis to and fro. Delta and waterway speeding by. Bamboo sway, backcountry's tall. River taxis answering call. Fresh sky mussels, rivers gold. Stories of ancestors still told. Cassava maidens walking by. Mokosoi perfume twilight skies. Rewa beauties pure and sweet. Delta rhythm hum by their feet. Bude basanga rugby roar. Black and white war paint their chest. Sebora, men tall and free. Strength from land and ancestry. Riverlands, Nausori flows on. Delta tides, endless space. Rewind time. Arupa Sangara Biro. Black and white for paint their chest. Temperamental and free. Strength from land and ancestry. Riverlands, Nausori flows on. Delta tides, endless space. Delta tall and free.